Why stop?
Hey, Butterfingers.
Why stop? You can use your hands to also float. Foot, hands,
Like this one is not.
but everything inside the water, only the nose outside. Everything else is inside the water. Why stop?
Daddy,
Yeah?
I wish I have foot flaps also.
Those will be useful when you start to float. Otherwise, they are not useful at all.
Which things?
These things.
Are you talking to me or Usman?
Talking to you.
I already start floating, so
No, still you need to show me 10 minutes of floating straight without breaks.
no, that's counting. Now you will count floating.
Okay?
Count from 0 now.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was not floating, you were.
Everyone, 7. Now let me do it again.
2, 2.
Daddy, where it's 7, we will start continuing from 7 where I stopped. Okay, please?
Okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 13. Good.
13 and a half.
Listen, your nose was inside the water, but your hands were outside. You cannot breathe with your hands. Keep your hands inside and take your nose outside. And keep your body straight. Yeah, you have to practice this a lot. You have to practice this a lot.
Rolling thing is gone.
Okay, buddy. What is going on with you?
Oh, circle is so big. Oh, the circle is so big. But this is bigger than I thought. I
This foot flap is only good when you go inside water.
Daddy,
Yeah.
look, I can swim backwards. Daddy, I can swim backwards. Look.
Good. Very good. Good job.
I finished the swimming level and
Does it?
I finished the backward swimming and the floating now. Oh!
You have to practice. That's why I asked you to bring the cap. You have to keep practicing your backward swimming.
You can't hold me.
No, cap will not hurt you that much.
It did not hurt.
Okay, do the backward swimming. Where are you going?
Backward swimming?
Yeah,
Oh, that's so easy for me.
yeah, do it.
Backward swimming. What? Come on. Watch this.
Good.
Watch this. I know it's the dog. That? I know it's a dog. I can also do it like that. Look. Also me.
What, you fall down? Okay, backward swimming 3 times, then I will close the camera.
Wait.
Backward swimming 3 times.
So, I can also do it backwards. I can also do it backwards.
Okay.
Now it's time for
Allah Saeed. Be careful, you can hit your head on the wall. Don't do this. Just do the backward swimming. Be careful, you can hit your head on the wall. Beta, be careful, you can hit your head on the wall.
Dad?
Ah, okay, do the backward swimming. I have to close the camera.
I want that balloon.
Just do the backward swimming 3 times.
3, 1, 2, 3.
Correct.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, you should start. One.
1. Two.
The last turn.
3. Good.